Well, today I'm going to be welding up a table I got from Weld Tables. I wanted to thank them, and I wanted to thank Lincoln for making this possible. I'm going to be using this MP140 to weld it up, and I'm super excited to do that. So we'll put some wire in this thing and get it going. It's super easy to set up. All the directions are right here on your wire feed speeds and your settings in the front. There's our wire. So was definitely having some issues with the welding. I don't know if it was the welding wire or what it was, but I changed that out. Things seem to be working, so let's get going. So now that I have it all tack welded on the back with all the cross pieces and bolted through, it's going to hold the top flat and tight for the cross piecing. Now I'm just going to fill some of these welds in to hold the top down. Pop these two sides on, they just clip in with the tabs and the slots, nice and easy, nice and square. Put a couple clamps on it to hold it on. And I'm just going to tack these up. So, in case you haven't noticed, I'm new to welding, and I didn't think I tacked this up here, and then I brought it outside, I welded some of it up, and my pieces moved. So, I was going to try to persuade it over like this.
Gotta keep that bed clean.
The video was filmed over the summer, so about 4 or 5 months ago. Well, longer than that. But this is how it's looking today. When I first got it, it seemed a little bit too big. It is tight down here, but I wish it was bigger, but it's not. So this needs to go somewhere else, and I need to utilize the space I have. The vise, sometimes I love it, sometimes I hate it having it there, but the table overall is great. I love the height of it. I thought it seemed a little bit high at first, but now that I've been using it, I think it's a great height. I love having the wheels on it. I wouldn't order it without the light kit and the wheels, and I'm going to leave a description. No, I'm not going to leave a description. I'm going to leave a link down in the description below. If you're interested in buying one of these tables, I'd highly recommend it. They're very easy to put together. They're affordable, and they are very, very useful. It's just made welding things so much easier. All the holes for the hold downs are great. I have a video coming out where I made a couple little accessories for it to hold things down, and it's been working out so good for me. I love it. So thank you, Weld Tables, and I hope you liked the video. If you do, please subscribe, please share it, and if you like it, also comment below. I like getting the comments. I like to hear what people have to say, good or bad or indifferent, but it's been a great table. So please give it a thumbs up and share and subscribe. Thank you.